literally needs help. This used to be my hair. I've dyed it. I have done so many things to my hair. I've had blonde hair. I went pink. I had short hair. I had long hair. I even one time tried to go gray. Especially when I went blonde, it was like bye-bye hair for me. I mean, I went from these to these. As of right now, I need to do something with this hair because it's not giving. We are using box dye today. We are in this together. Maybe you have the same problem as me. You know, you used to dye your hair blonde and then you just cover it some like color and the color is starting to fade away and look orange. Little old t-shirt on now, ready to be completely destroyed by hair dye. I'm using Garnier Olia. This is a permanent color. It has no ammonia. So try looking for something that has no ammonia because ammonia is really bad for your hair. It just like disrupts the pH. This one is a good one. Even though like if you can do these at the hair salon, girl, do it at the hair salon. Of course, it's the safer option, but not everybody can do that. Not everybody, maybe you just want to do it at home, so you can. The chemicals that they have on these things that you can like buy over the counter are just like cheaper in a way, so they are a bit more aggressive to your hair. So that's why they say go to the salon, because they have more gentle products. They're more like good quality products, but not everybody can go to the salon and just get their hair done there. Multiple reasons. So if you are doing it at home, try something that has no ammonia. I went with the color, this is the black brown number 3, which is not the darkest, but the second to darkest color or something like that. Don't forget your gloves. Hair dye is really drying, so it dries your skin too. So don't do this without gloves. Gloves are important. Now, before you start, think about prepping. Don't wash your hair before it. Professionals don't recommend washing your hair before you're going to dye it. Make sure you brush your hair before you go in with the dye. It avoids like spots after. What I'm gonna do first is just like part my hair into like 4 sections. Doesn't need to be like perfect, but like part it into 4 sections. Just gonna use some like clips to keep the hair in place. I mean, look how dry these ends are. And the color that I had start fading out and it became like this super orangey color. It's just like so easy to see that the ends are so dry. It just looks horrible. I could have just gotten a toner and tone it down to a cooler kind of color, but that would just like fade away really fast and easy, and it's not like I am planning on doing something else with my hair other than letting it grow and yeah, letting it become healthier. And I really want my natural color, so I'm just gonna cover it all. So here it is, the developer. I think this is like 20 volume. I'm not sure, it doesn't say here, but usually box dye has 20 volume. So it's like if you have gray hairs, it's going to cover the hairs, the gray hairs, and it's going to lift the color a bit. But you know, if you want to go blonde, this is not the way. Basically, the higher the volume, the more your hair lifts, like gets lighter, like the hair cuticles open up, gets lighter, and then you can take in more color. So basically what I need to do now is open this baby up and then just put all the color that is in here and mix it with the developer and then apply it into my hair. Let's do this, guys. Shake it for 30 seconds. Don't remove the little thing before you shake it or you will have hair dye everywhere. Now here on the paper it says to start with the roots. Now I don't want to concentrate the color on my roots. What I am trying to do is just cover up the middles and ends. So we are doing this and I'm scared. So I'm starting with this section right here. Not like I have a lot of hair to dye anyway, so I'm just like working my way. Don't be too harsh, don't rub it too hard. You just gotta make it worse, so be gentle. Now if you have a comb like this, you can like comb your hair after you apply the color so it's like spread evenly, but don't do that with a normal brush because you're gonna like rip your hair. As my hair will grow, I will obviously like start cutting out the ends. I'm gonna try to do that a bit often at the beginning and then just let it grow. I deal with depression, you know, panic attacks, anxiety, and when you are like struggling with your like mental health, you tend to lose the confidence that you usually have. And I was feeling a bit down, and you know what, I just thought, why not, you know, do something with my hair, you know, just bring a bit of that confidence back. And it really helps. If you're feeling down and you want to, you know, lift yourself a bit up, taking care of yourself is a great thing to do. It's a great way to start the healing process and feeling better and getting out of depression. Taking care of yourself is like your #1 priority. Ooh, the hair is getting dark. I can see those orange ends disappearing. Oh my god. Finally. I haven't colored my hair in like since summer, and we are in what, November? So it's been like a few months. So I've waited, but I can't wait like a year with the color that I had. This thing here for 1 year? Who are you trying to play with here? It's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. I just want to let it out there that I'm not a hair professional. I am not a hairdresser. You know, I do my research and that's about it. I've colored my hair a lot in the past years, and I've learned a lot about hair, and of course I do my research, but I am not a professional. One person that I love to listen to when it comes to hair is Brad Mondo on the internet. I think he's really entertaining, and not only that, he does explain things really well when it comes to hair. You know, he's very goofy and funny, but at the same time, he does give you a lot of great, you know, hair tips. Now I can go a bit on the roots, you know, now that I've come so far. Just really spread that there. If I'm doing something wrong, please tell me in the comments. I like to learn, and if I'm doing something wrong, just call me out. We all have a lot to learn from each other, so I don't mind. When it comes to hair, I don't think we are always fully content. At least like for people that I know and people around me, they are never fully happy with their hair. You know, if they have long hair, they are like, oh, I want to cut my hair, I wish I had my hair shorter. If they have like blonde hair, they want to go dark. If they have dark, they want to go blonde. I suffer from the same. Going on the roots on my back too, so make sure like everything it's even, and like try to not get any spotting. I mean, I'm not a professional, so I will probably have some spotting in there. It gets messy. It just gets messy. I'm just gonna leave it for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash my hair with not cold water, but like lukewarm water, not too hot, to just like remove it after 20 minutes. I got like 2 spots, even with those gloves are not good. Those gloves are not good. I have other gloves. Why didn't I use the gloves that I have at home? I mean, look at this. She's dark again, and I love it. So the little box hair dye thing comes with these like silicone-free after color care. I'm going to use this, but I'm also going to use this mask right here and leave it for longer. This is the Kérastase Nutritive mask. Dyeing your hair makes your hair really dry. So aftercare is like the most important thing. Like, you cannot just like dye your hair and just let it. Like, you need to really take care of it afterwards. Oiling helps really much, you know. You can use coconut oil, you can use Moroccan oil, you can even mix a bunch of oils, but don't do that right after you know, color your hair. You can wait a few days. Right now, just like use a very hydrating mask, and then after a few days, when you wash your hair again, you can go with like some oils a few hours before or the night before you wash it. Go with some oils on your scalp, some on your ends, and then wash it the day after. So I'm just gonna leave this for a bit and go in with the other mask, and I'm gonna style my hair to show you guys how it's going to look at the end. Hope it's gonna look good. Guess who's back and better than ever? She is back. I feel so much better. Like, I cannot even begin to tell you how much better I feel with the dark. I mean, that color that I had, it was not it. Let me calm down. It was not it. It's a lot darker than my actual hair. It's almost black, but that's normal with like box dye. They tend to be very intense and you know, darker. Like, you get a darker result than expected normally, but it kind of fades away over time. So I am not worried about it as long as it matches my roots as much as possible as it fades out. And I will cut it little by little. I have maybe half of my hair left with like the old bleached hair. So as my hair grows, I will cut the ends until that is completely gone. So it's okay that it's a lot darker now. It will fade away with time. And yeah, it's okay. It's okay. What I'm gonna do now is basically blow dry my hair. I have the Revlon thing, by the way. I love this thing. Like, this is my go-to, best thing I bought out of Amazon ever. One thing that you cannot forget after you like dye your hair and you're gonna style it, you need to protect it against heat. You have to do that always. Please, 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 please protect your hair against heat. I like these a lot. This is the Kérastase Nutritive Nectar Thermique. I don't know how to say these kind of things, you guys. I'm just gonna like leave it down below and you guys can go check it out. This is blow dry care for dry hair. So I just apply like a bit. You don't need much. It depends on how much hair you have actually. Like if you have a lot of hair, you need more obviously, but I don't anymore. So I don't need that much anymore. I'm just gonna go all over. Let's spray too. Use a wet hair brush. Don't go with like normal brush, but a wet hair one, so it doesn't like do more damage to your hair. And start at the ends and work your way up. Don't just like do this. No, it's gonna ruin your hair. So start at the ends and work your way up. And what it does is just like spread all that product that you just applied all over your hair evenly. I'm gonna go with the Revlon baby. See you soon. This is not bad. Looks a lot healthier in a darker color than it does in a lighter color. It's just like easier to disguise all the, you know, damage. Now I'm gonna go with a bit of oil. Don't forget your oils. I'm gonna link everything that I use down below just in case you guys want to like check it out. It says here that this is like a reconstructive oil. It has argan oils, jojoba and almendra. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Again, I'm really bad at pronouncing things, just so you know. I'm just gonna go with like 2 pumps of that. Maybe that was a bit too much, but yeah, the hair needs a bit of that, you know, nutrition. So I'm just gonna go with a bit of that. I don't know if I'm gonna have it on the side like this or on the side like that. What do you guys think? Should I part it sideways? Yeah, I think I like it this side more. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I'm just gonna leave it like this, I think. I like it. I'm happy. It kind of looks okay. It's not bad at all. I think it looks better than before. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I would love to hear your guys' opinions, but I'm just happy that it looks healthier in a way than before, because the hair, I don't want to remember it, because it pains me. It literally pains my heart to think about my hair and how it was. I am going to get my long hair back. So I'm going to be filming hair care routines, hair wash routines, hair oiling routines, and talk about my hair a lot. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe so you don't like miss those videos that are coming. You can also hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time that I upload, so you don't miss any of the future uploads. What I'm gonna do next time that I actually wash my hair, I'm gonna leave my hair like this for a few days. I'm not gonna wash it in a few days, but next time, the night before I go to bed, I'm going to apply some oils in my hair. I have this castor oil that I like a lot. I mix it with rosemary mint. So I do a little like mixture, leave it overnight, and then like the day after I wash my hair. And the next time that I wash my hair, I'm going to use the Kérastase Nutritive line, because it has a lot of hydration. So the next time after that, I'm going to use, I have the Olaplex line, so I'm going to use that. But I like to switch in between, because if you use a lot of like repairing on your hair, you are kind of taking away a bit of the hydration, so you need to hydrate your hair as well. So I have to go with a bit of, you know, different lines. You don't have to go with the expensive ones, you can go with the more affordable ones, but of course you get like a lot more quality with, you know, the Salon brand rather than the drugstore brand. If you're still here and you saw the whole process, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, it will help me a lot. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my hair content because it's coming. I'm bringing a lot of hair content because I'm starting my hair growth journey and I want to share it with you guys. I mean, I want to go from these to how my hair used to look. Again, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope you have a great day. If you're feeling down, just know that you are amazing, you are important, and I love you. I see you on my next one. Bye bye.